Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to helpmemath.com. So this time we will use the Excel spreadsheet and then analyze two independent sample data. Okay, so please look at this example. A production engineer claimed that there is no difference in the man nut diameter manufactured by two different methods. So please look at the table below, which is this one. And I factor 0.05, can you reject the production engineer's claim? Okay, so what I want to do first, I'm gonna set up hypothesis setting first. So it shows that there's no difference, right? No difference, which means not equal. There's no inequality involved here. So the claim located on HA. So I can say HA that equal to mu. I'm gonna just insert twice. Oops. So mu1 and mu2, so they are equal to each other. Okay, so I will also input in equal to symbol here. Okay, and then that's our claim. And now HO, so this become, just copy this. I'm gonna change this to equal sign basically. Okay, so that's our claim here, and the I factor 0.05. Alright, so whenever we analyze data using actual data set, we are using t distribution. And then you know that if sample size n is bigger than 30, then we consider this is still like a large sample case. So even though you are using t distribution, so we can actually analyzing as a normal distribution. Okay, so let's start doing it. So go to data and then click data analysis, and now you are choosing t-test to sample assuming unequal variance. That's really important. So unequal variance. Now the variable one range will be, so first method here, and then variable range 2 becomes second method. Okay, then now because I included title, so I'm gonna label. And now alpha equal to 0.05, so I don't have to change, but I want to see our output around here. And now important thing is hypothesize mean difference, we always assume equal to 0. So when we talk about mu1 minus mu2, we assume it's always equal to 0, right? Okay, so then now you say okay. Now we see this table. Then now, so we focus on looking at this value here. So okay, then now, so t statistic, basically this is z-score, and then p value, and then t critical. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little bit bigger. Alright, so probability value, p value for one tail and t critical one tail. Now probability value two tail and t critical value two tail here. Alright, then now we need to see, well, this is the one tail or two tail. First of all, yes, it is two tail. Then now we are looking at basically, first of all, t statistic value, and then t two tail critical value, this one. Okay, then now when you wanna using the p-value test, then we are using p two tail p-value basically. Alright, then now, so let's make a conclusion based on p-value first. So p-value equal to 0.3233, something like that. So I'm gonna make it all this maybe rounding about 1000 digits. So p-value equal to 0.323 and the alpha equal to 0.05. Okay, so between these two, which value is greater? Yes, p-value is greater, right? So since p-value is greater, so now we can say fail to reject HO. Okay, then what about the z-test here? Then you are looking at t critical value. So this case, the sample size is over more than 30, so we can say there's a z critical value. That's fine too. And now, even though we got the positive value here, you should know that it become negative 2.023 and then 2.023 like that. So the left hand side, so there will be 1 over 2 HA, center become HO, and the right side become the other 1 over 2 to the HA basically. So alright, then now we need to looking at, so I just highlight HA as orange color and HO as maybe green color. And then let's find out where this t statistic belongs to basically. So this value is basically between negative 2.023 and the 2.023 here, right? Which means so t statistic belongs to HO basically. So since our t statistic value belongs to HO, we can also conclude that fail to reject HO basically. Alright, then now fail to reject HO. Now our claim was on HA, so we can say there is not enough evidence to support the claim. So the mean, so what was this? Mean nut diameter, the mean nut diameter of two methods are not that different. Okay, that will be the conclusion for this problem. Okay, so this time we are using Excel to analyze two independent sample data analysis basically using both p-value and the z-test. Okay, so I hope this video help you, and I will see you with a different video later. Alright, thank you.